Hi there, it's Rob Hillman here from Easy Training Guides, and today we're going to take a look at moving our Trust wallet into a Metamask wallet. But before we get started, just a reminder to click the like button if you like this video and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, because we've got some interesting videos coming up. And so why the reason to move our Trust wallet into the Metamask wallet is because with Metamask, it offers us a lot of other choices as far as some other crypto chains and other currencies are concerned. And particularly with one of the currencies that I'm working with at the moment, which is Templar DAO, it will come in very handy, and it makes it very easy to move between different protocols and different chains. And the reason we would want to do that is because we can take advantage of some other higher interest rates in some other chains, basically. The good thing about moving it, our Trust wallet, actually we're not actually moving it as such, we're actually copying it to the Metamask wallet. So in actual fact, everything will still remain intact in your Trust wallet, so you're not going to alter anything there, your coins will all stay there. But what you're doing is basically mirroring your Trust wallet on the Metamask wallet. So let's take a look at how we can do that. So what we'll do is I'll just move my phone into the screen. So this is an Android device. Same thing applies to an Apple device. There's no drama. So yes, if we go up to Trust wallet here, I'll open up the Trust wallet. And it's asking for fingerprint recognition. So what we do is your Trust wallet may look a little bit different to mine. I've got some oddball currencies in there and tokens. If we go down the bottom to the settings icon and touch the settings icon, we can see our wallets up the top. So we'll touch the little arrow to the right, and it opens up on our multi-coin wallet. So if we touch the three little dots to the right also and open that up, and it gives us a chance to show our recovery phase. So it's just a matter of touching that little icon. Authentication required. It's asking me to, there's a security warning coming up. It's saying that the recovery phase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone else. Trust wallet will never ask you to share your recovery phase. And then you have to click a button and continue. And then what will happen is it will show your 12-word recovery phase. I'll just get out of that. It will show your 12 keyword recovery phase. So you just write those down. And then it's just a matter of going to, let's move that out of the way now. We'll go to Metamask. Metamask.io is the name of the website. So you'll just download Metamask to your desktop or your mobile device. Basically, ideally, you would download the Chrome extension for Metamask. That makes it a heck of a lot easier. So what happens is, as soon as you install Metamask on your device, you will see this screen. It will say new to Metamask. No, I already have a secret recovery phase or phrase, or yes, let's get set up. So what you would do in this case is, of course, where it says no, I already have a secret recovery phase, you click on this import wallet and then agree to the terms, and then you input your secret recovery phase here and a password. It can be the same password or a different password that you use for your Trust wallet. It doesn't really matter. So you paste your secret recovery phase in here, click on read the terms and agreement of use, and then just click the import button down the bottom. I won't fill these up at the moment. Just click the import button and it will import all of your coins into your into your Metamask wallet. So It's as simple as that. And then in the next video, we're going to have a look at how we can use our MetaMask wallet and move our coins into different protocols. We've got Moon River, Harmony, and Moonbeam, which is coming soon with the Templar DAO token in particular. So we'll take a look at that in the next video. So I hope you've enjoyed this simple explanation of how you can move your Trust wallet across it. No big deal, pretty easy to do. Any dramas, just send us a message in the comments below, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Onwards and upwards, as they say in the classics.